We want to tell you two things: how to install the ink cartridge and how to resolve common problems. Make sure the printer power is on. Press down and pull it out of the slot. Make sure there is no ink leakage. If anything is wrong, contact us. Wait until you're ready to print. Then, remove the protection cover and tear the pull label. Be careful not to touch the chip terminal. Push the cartridge until it clicks into place. Match the colors. To prevent ink drying, after the cartridge is opened, don't remove it from the printer. The display should show both ink levels are full. Now you can start printing, or try the print test page. If after successful installation the printer doesn't work, or after printing a few times it stops working, what can we do? Check the ink display. Restart the printer. Take out the cartridge and use the cleaning wipe to clean the nozzle. Wait until it's dry, then put it back into place. When print striations occur, what can we do? Run the nozzle cleaning function 1 to 2 times. Or wipe the nozzle of the ink cartridge with an alcohol prep pad. And when it's dry, you can put it back. If there is any problem related with Corraleto, please contact us.